Okay, hi guys, so this is a redo of my squishy collection because my previous one was like really long, but yeah, it's like board ring, so yep. Okay, so firstly I got this mini deep face pancake, this chicken burger, this Pan squishy. I'm like throwing the squishy because they're like quite far. I don't want to bend over. This medium burger, cheesy face burger. Oops. This icing bun. This mini Pan. This donut, and it's really squishy. But yeah. I got this steam bun, and that has the license. This cake roll, Lakuma cake roll, Kiratori cream puff squishy, which is rock hard, but it has no defects. Kiratori the mushroom. This Pan squishy, just blue marks, but it's okay. It's really squishy. I got this panda bun, this Rilakkuma hamburger squishy, which is really soft, this medium donut, this Rilakkuma hit bun, this squishy, this donut, this donut, which is really soft, this jumbo smiley face hamburger squishy, this jumbo pancake, which is really squishy, this Rilakkuma hamburger squishy, this Rilakkuma pancake, Kiratori bun squishy, Rilakkuma na cream puff. Oops. This cake roll, this cabbage bun, this melon bun, and the rest squishies are later on. Right now I'm like showing the non-rare squishies. And I got this jumbo blush bun, which is really soft, and it has this face. Yeah, and if I like talk soft, please like turn up your volume, because yeah, as my family members are at the living room and it's like pretty awkward. But yeah, I got this ice cream cone, this cat squishy, which is rock hard, this Disney toast, this Aloha Stitch toast, which is really squishy. And I got this waffle, this cupcake, this waffle, this eclair, which smells awesome. Okay, now for the rare squishies, I have this jumbo Rilakkuma jumbo Rilakkuma hit bun squishy, original packaging. So yeah, got this jumbo Kiratori bun, and I got for $12, and this one for $9.90, which is super not worth it. But yeah, got this Hello Kitty Sweets Cafe jumbo Hello Kitty donut squishy, this Swiss roll, and the sides like fall off. But yeah, it's really squishy. So yeah, let me just put that in. Okay, never mind. And then I got this fake license Jumbo Hello Kitty donut squishy, and I love this. And it has this tag. This Hello Kitty biscuit or pancake squishy. This bunny. This Breado macaroon, which is really soft. This Sunny ice cream squishy. This One Piece t-shirt. This Hello Kitty leopard squishy. And it has a yellow ball chain. This Elmo. This chip squishy, which has a silver ball chain. I got this Rilakkuma lemon squishy, RK lemon. And then I got this Rilakkuma no chicken. And it has a tag. So yeah. Then I got this Hello Kitty marshmallow squishy. This Breado holder. This Chubashka squishy, which has no defects. And all my rare squishies are not for trade. This mini cinnamon squishy, and it has the blue ball chain. So yeah. And the license is at the back. This churros, this tag with the pink ball chain. And sorry if you can hear like background noises again, because like they are cutting grass at downstairs. So I got this Rilakkuma laying down squishy. This Breado Tordo squishy, which is open and has a kawaii face. So yeah. And then I got this Hello Kitty fake license jumbo loaf. This Fat Cat Cracker squishy, which has this huge defect, but yeah, I don't really care. And I got it for a trade, and the front is like that, and the back is like that, which is like huge rip. But yeah, it's open. So yeah, and then I have this brand new Fat Cat Cracker squishy, and it has no defects because I never really like crack it. So yeah. And then I got this HK in a strawberry costume, which is really squishy. It's this tag. I got this semi-cooler donut pink ball chain, and all of the semi squishies come with the pink ball chain. So yeah. And then I got this Hello Kitty toast, which is really soft, and the license is at the bottom. So yeah. And then I have this Breado macaroon. So yeah. And it smells awesome of all the Breado macaroon squishies. So yeah. This Jumbo Rilakkuma pancake squishy. And it's 100% sealed. and the packaging is like very straight. And then I have this soft bread mascot squishy, which is the Mickey mascot. In the original packaging, non-open before. So yeah, which is really squishy and has a license on the back. So yeah, and that's all for my squishy collection, and maybe I'll be doing a updated squishy collection, but really that's all. Okay, but yeah, thanks for watching, bye.